Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cover part 4 of our series, Publish That Book Now. If you missed the previous videos on mindset, creating a manuscript that stands out, and marketing tools, I will place a link to a video so you can catch up, but let's get to it. Today we're diving in on the benefits of creating a publishing company and perhaps an LLC. We're also going to talk about the difference between publishing on Amazon, KDP, and Ingram Spark, how ISBN number works, and I also want to give you some hacks to save money. So I'm going to go way back, all right? I'm going to show you a clip of the younger version of me. Please don't judge her too harshly. She was really doing her best, okay? So we're going to go way back. Let's go. Now we're going to focus on establishing and protecting your brand. You might be wondering if you should start a publishing company. Plenty of self-published authors don't have a publishing company, so it certainly isn't necessary. Let's explore some of the benefits of creating your own publishing company. For starters, establishing an LLC can protect you financially. For instance, with an LLC, if someone wants to sue you, they can't access your personal income or assets. Only the income from your LLC is at risk. Establishing a business also saves you money when you file your taxes because you can claim business expenses. Remember to utilize a tax professional to help you in this area. Or you can hire an accountant or even college students from a nearby law program to complete it for you for free. You can also visit the Secretary of State website for your state and find the information about how to set up a business. Brainstorm ideas for your company name and decide if it will be an S Corp or an LLC. I personally recommend establishing an LLC because it aligns with the publishing business structure, but do your research. Lastly, having an incorporation gives you legitimacy. As I mentioned earlier, it allows you to use print-on-demand companies like Ingram Spark because Ingram Spark requires you to have an imprint name, also known as a publishing company. If you establish your own imprint, you will need to acquire your own ISBN numbers for all your books. An ISBN is a 13-digit number that's used for a unique book identifier. You will need a different ISBN for each book edition or book, like product, because the ISBN indicates the format, edition, and publisher. Obtaining ISBNs can be expensive, but it saves to buy them in bulk. If you are going to use a company like Ingram Spark, you can purchase ISBNs from Bowker. If you plan to sell your books only on Amazon, an ISBN is not required, as Amazon is more than willing to sign you one, so they can be your publisher. Publish your first edition on Amazon via KDP is more user-friendly than most print-on-demand companies, and Amazon lets you upload your book for free. Ingram Spark, on the other hand, charges you a $50 fee the first time you upload your book, an additional $25 to re-upload your book if you have any errors. If you are a brand new author who is more likely to make mistakes, these fees can add up quickly. The good news is that there are coupon codes that you can use to upload on Ingram Spark for free. So follow Ingram Spark on social media as they will share deals there. The customer service for KDP is excellent. I recommend emailing Ingram Spark or using the callback feature if you need support. In regards to ordering author copies, Ingram Spark can tend to take a month to send your author copies, while you can usually get author copies from KDP in about a week. Lastly, Ingram Spark allows bookstores to return your books, which is a plus for them. Establishing your brand will cost an average of $400. If you want to take it a step further, consider using freelancers from Fiverr to create a logo and consider trademarking your brand once it's established and you are making sales. I know that this is a lot of information to take in, so I want to remind you that you don't have to start a business right away. You can file your income with your personal taxes for the first year or two and then establish your business later. This is a process with a steep learning curve, and there's no need to rush. It's important to stay debt-free during this process, so don't spend money that you don't have. Make some income and then use that to establish your business. Last but not least, remember to keep a positive mindset and know that you got this. This is a marathon, not a race. So take the journey one day at a time and try not to compare your journey with anyone else because your path is unique. I'd love to hear from you. What is one takeaway you got from this content? Go ahead and drop it in the comment section below. If this content was helpful in any way, do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and share this video with another aspiring author. That way, the algorithm knows that this information is useful and will push it out to more viewers. Remember to be gracious with yourself. Mindset is important. That's why I say the videos build upon itself, because you're going to make mistakes. You're going to have hiccups along the way. And so you have to really have a mantra that keeps pushing yourself when those times come. And remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I will also place a link in the description to my books. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and making it to the end. Much love.